मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया।
थोड़ा डिले चल रहा है आप लोगों का साथ में गाएं।
मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया।
यू कैन क्लैप लॉन्ग। जो लोग फ्लैश लाइट नहीं जला रहे,
मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। अरे कोई तो जाओ उसको बुलाओ, अरे कोई तो जाओ उसको बुलाओ, न माने तो उसको डांट भी लगाओ। मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। सपनों में मेरे वो रोज आता और जाता है, संग वो अपने मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है। सपनों में मेरे वो रोज आता और जाता है, संग वो अपने मुझको भी रोज बुलाता है। अब कैसे बताऊं इन शहरों का हो गया हूं, इस भीड़ भाड़ में कहीं खो गया हूं। मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया, उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया। मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
So how do you like Majuli?
Okay, so I'll tell you, this place has a very, very positive energy. When I came here, and
Well, cheers for that, everybody.
of course you deserve this cheer because I saw the hard work you guys are doing. The all bamboo trees, so you made the हमारे रहने के लिए जगह है. You made all this stage. Can you believe this? We if we talk about the Bombay, we need a particular management to make this kind of a stage, and you guys did it as an volunteer. So huge round of applause for you guys.
Well, anything you would like to say to the people of Majuli and to the overall people of Assam? From your end, anything.
Okay, so I come from UP, but I most of the time I stay in mountains. I say कि mountains, पहाड़ी लोग सबसे खूबसूरत होते हैं. जितने लोग पहाड़ी खूबसूरत होते हैं, उतने ही Assamese और North East के लोग खूबसूरत होते हैं. इतना प्यार मिला मुझे जब मैं last time शादी में भी आया था. In fact, they gave me so much love, and now I came here. I feel blessed that I can perform for you guys. super happy that I could perform for you guys. You are been lovely, amazing audience. Not even the youngster. So I went that stage when the day stage,
The morning stage,
the morning stage. When I went there, the people from the community, the ladies, old ladies, they were enjoying. They had no idea what is
What
going,
they were singing,
like which language it is.
Exactly,
Like
exactly.
Buland Himale was performing. He was
Yeah.
performing in some folk, then Hindi, and he was amazing as well.
Exactly.
And people were loving. They had no idea what the old ladies I'm talking about, the Majuli communities, and they loved the performance, the energy. They had a smile on their face. So that's I loved about the
People, and,
And
that is what the the essence of Majuli Music Festival is.
Right.
Well,
Which
जैसे
is-
कि बोलते हैं ना, music, it doesn't have any language, non-religion, nothing.
So I'll tell you one thing.
Yeah,
Before you
sure,
should-
please. See.
So once this world came, like the दुनिया जब बनी, तो language तो थी नहीं ना.
Absolutely.
It's all about emotions.
True.
So music is all about emotions. If
Absolutely.
you don't put words in it, it will be music as well.
Exactly,
So
exactly.
the first thing which comes is emotion. So emotionally, if you connect with someone, that is all.
Language is never
Right.
never in is
We
in the
made
path
it
of
language, na? We
Exactly.
made it.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
So that's all.
Well, that was so beautifully said, Salman. So, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Salman Ilahi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Well,
much.
thank you so much, Salman.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank you.
really beautiful. I was enjoying backstage.
Thank you
So
so
thank you
much.
so much.